Have you ever wondered why the Earth's surface is not one solid, unchanging mass? Why do we have mountains, valleys, and deep ocean trenches? The answer lies in a fascinating geological phenomenon known as tectonics. Imagine a hard-boiled egg. When you crack the shell, it breaks into several pieces, but the egg inside remains intact. Now, think of the Earth as that egg. The crust or the shell of the egg is not a single unbroken layer. It's divided into what we call tectonic plates. These plates float on the semi-fluid layer below, known as the mantle, just like bits of eggshell on the egg white. So what makes these plates move? It's the heat from the Earth's core, which generates convection currents in the mantle. These currents push and pull the plates, causing them to move. This movement is very slow, about the same speed that your fingernails grow, but over millions of years, the effects are monumental. When these plates collide, they form mountains. When they move apart, they create spaces for oceans. And when they slide past each other, they can cause earthquakes. So, the landscape that we see around us, the mountains, the oceans, even the ground beneath our feet, is all a result of tectonic activity. Now, there are three types of plate boundaries: convergent, divergent, and transform. At convergent boundaries, plates collide. Think of it as a slow-motion car crash, where the cars crumple and rise upwards. That's how mountain ranges like the Himalayas formed. At divergent boundaries, plates move apart. It's like two friends going their separate ways. As they move apart, magma from the mantle rises to fill the gap, creating new crust. This is how mid-ocean ridges and rift valleys are formed. At transform boundaries, plates slide past each other. Picture two people trying to squeeze past each other in a narrow hallway. Sometimes they get stuck, and when they finally manage to move, it creates a jolt. That's what happens during an earthquake. So, to sum up, tectonics is the science of studying how the Earth's plates move and interact. It explains why the Earth's surface is not a solid, unchanging mass. It's because of tectonic activity that we have mountains, valleys, and oceans. The movement of these plates, driven by the heat from the Earth's core, shapes our landscapes and can even cause natural disasters like earthquakes. Remember the three types of plate boundaries: convergent, where plates collide and form mountains; divergent, where plates move apart and create oceans; and transform, where plates slide past each other, causing earthquakes. Understanding these principles of tectonics not only helps us appreciate the dynamic nature of our planet, but also equips us to better predict and prepare for natural disasters. So, the next time you look at a mountain or walk by the ocean, remember the incredible forces at work beneath your feet. It's a slow dance of epic proportions, a dance that has been shaping our planet for billions of years. That, dear listener, is the power and wonder of tectonics.